I don't know if you can all see, checking on the Cardinals this morning, or excuse me, this afternoon. You see one of the little babies there. There's 3 babies in there. I don't know if you can see this little guy. Oh, there goes mom. She just took off, and here comes Turbo. So I'll leave them alone, but just checking on them. I'm gonna walk down here now, see what's going on with the painters. Looking good. I just went and sprayed for some of the carpenter bees that we still had a few hanging out today. So just sprayed around, and I don't see really any now. We had a pest control company come out a couple weeks ago, and that got rid of about half of them, maybe a little bit more. And then once Jacob started painting the house, they really kind of disappeared. But yeah, there we are. So it's looking real good. Looking real good. Jacob's got a couple more days here, and then goes to another job, comes back, and then he'll be doing the porch here. What's up?
Hey, 3 more coats on this part right here.
Wait, hold on.
The only thing we got is that gable over there.
All right. What do we got left?
Just the 3 more coats right there.
Yeah.
And then that opposite gable.
So you could be done one more day?
If it don't rain tomorrow, we'll be done tomorrow.
Okay. Great. And then come back, we knock the porch out in about 4 weeks.
Okay.
Any thoughts today on how the job's going? How the house is looking? Great.
It sucks. It's hot.
Yeah.
When you open up an oven, that heat that hits you,
yeah,
that's what it's like on that metal right there.
Yeah, that metal.
And having to sit there, and you've got ribs from the metal, and you're having to lay down and get sideways and underneath it, and those ribs are digging into your hip and your ribs and everything else. And then you're at an awkward angle. Plus, it's hot.
Yeah.
It sucks.
Yeah. But it looks good.
Work.
It looks good. So
here, all this right here is done.
All done.
The trim just got done hitting it.
There we are.
And
4 coats. 4 coats.
4 coats.
Wow. Got the trim done on that window there, up there. Great, looking good.
The overspray, y'all, the overspray that you see on the metal is not me.
That was the last owners or whoever did it.
Yeah, whoever sprayed it last time.
So
please do not judge me for somebody else's work.
Looks fantastic. Again, if anybody needs to get a hold of you,
Steel Painting Company, Dothan, Alabama, 334-579-5002. You can find us on Facebook, Steel Painting Company on Facebook. We've also got a website, steel-painting.com. Check it out.
Areas of coverage?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Yeah. Just call them.
Tri-state area. Most of our work is local in town, but we will travel.
There you go.
We just landed a job out in Perry, Georgia. So that's...
You've been down in Florida before you got here. And look, I would never tell you to buy anything or do anything that I haven't done. Jacob's work here has been beautiful. Phenomenal. I highly recommend him. Phenomenal. If I was going to paint this house again next summer, I'd call Jacob. That's it. So I wouldn't tell you to use him if I didn't think he was good. So he's done great work. He's taken his time, which I like, not in a rush. And it looks so much better. The house has just been brought back to life, and we've added longevity to the house now with getting it painted. It was long. I mean, this house has not been painted 10, 15 years, dealing with the elements here. So luckily we got it done when we did. So we didn't really suffer, any real damage to the house. We got the roof repaired, and there's still a few little things that have to be done, but the house is definitely way better than it used to be, and we're going to make it last a lot longer.
If you have any wood on your house, make sure it stays, whether it's painted and caulked up, especially in this lower region. You got a lot of humidity in the air. A lot of people don't think about it. They're like, whatever, but your house is begging you, please caulk up all the seams, caulk up all the windows and everything else. That humidity, moisture does get in behind that caulking and rot your wood out faster. So call a painter before you have to call a contractor.
So we came out this morning, and 2 of the baby cardinals were out of the nest, just running around here. And there's a third one right here I don't know if you can see it. I'll zoom in the best that I can, but there's a little baby cardinal right here. Hopefully you can see him in there. That's the third one. And the other two are under here in the carport. There they are right there. And the mother keeps flying around. She's going to take care of them for the next coming days from what we've researched, feeding them. And I think what they're going to try to do is get the little birds out into the trees there where they'll be a little safer. They're safe here in the carport for sure. No predator. What happened? What happened? What happened? You get stung? You okay? Yeah, they're much safer in here. But I think they're going to eventually make it out there. So that's what's happening right now. Let me go see Roxy. She's a little baby. She might have got stung or maybe bit by an ant. I don't think Turbo was near. What's going on? What happened? You get stung? You get bit on the nose? She'll be okay. But anyways, so yeah, that was the nest right up in here. And we saw 3 little birds hatch. You okay, sweetie? You okay? Oh, you okay? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, stop attacking me. You attacking me? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ow. Ow. You're so strong. You're so strong. Here, let me hold you. Oh my goodness, you're so heavy. Oh my gosh, this dog is getting so big. I can barely even pick her up. What are you, 10 and a half weeks? Something like that now? I gotta look. But anyways, I watered the heck out of the coconut tree here. It's looking a little bit better. And we got a gator out here this morning. Looks like Faithful's out for a little morning jaunt. Okay. And everything is just growing like weeds out here. But yeah, watered the heck out of it, aerated the soil, and it does look a little greener. I'm going to do the same thing today. All the other palms here look fantastic. Dogs are doing well. We're expecting rain at some point today. We'll see. Look at this banana. This banana tree has just gone bonkers. I mean, that thing was like under a foot tall just about 2 months ago, and look at it now. Painters may get back today, later this afternoon. If there's no rain, we shall see. But right now, it looks like we will finish up the house by next week. And then a 4-week break, and then the porch. So that's what's happening right now. Got gators out here. The baby cardinals are out of the nest. Very, very cool. It's such a beautiful bird too. But I've never seen baby cardinals before. I've seen sparrows and robins, but never cardinals. And just the life out here is just amazing. Everything's growing, everything's flourishing. Garden, animals, the dogs, everything, the palm trees, everything's just flourishing. So just reminds you to thank God every day, and it reminds you there is a God that made all of this. Nature is so beautiful, and we're trying to do everything here not to destroy any of it, but to let it be free and let it live and prosper. So anyways, got a few errands to run. Wanted to check in with all of you. This little maniac here. Hey. Always getting into something. Always getting into something. So, but you gotta let them be dogs. You gotta let them be dogs, that's for sure. So anyways, leave a comment down below. Thanks for coming over to the channel. I'll keep you posted with any updates, everything that's going on out here. Definitely keep all of you posted. There's the daddy cardinal over there. I can hear him. I can hear him chirping. There he goes. So cool. So the dad and the mom are just up. There's the mom right there. She just landed over by the house. Oh, so very cool. There he is. And there was the nest right there. And there's the little guy. Hopefully you can see him somewhere there. Yeah, you be nice. You be nice. All day with these two. All day. All day. She's gonna beat you up one day, Turbo. She's gonna beat you up one day. She's getting big. She's getting big. Yeah, they're in love with one another, that's for sure. They all get along. Mimi, Nugget, Turbo, Roxy, everybody gets along so well. I can leave them out in the yard. They entertain one another. They play. They dig, unfortunately. But they are dogs, and it is what it is. We're going to let them be dogs. Anyways, it's another day in paradise. Louse, good boy, good boy. Louse, good boy. All right. So, another reason why I have a dog like this, somebody shows up, he's always on the job. Right? Right? All right, Louse. Louse. Turbo. Louse. Here. Turbo. Here. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Louse. Right, Roxy? Right. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
What's up, boy?
Good boy. What's up, boy?
Good boy. Yeah.
Oh, don't forget Roxy. Reinforcement, backup. Good boy. Good boy. Hi, Rox. No, I guess he's had enough.
He's done.
Been playing all morning. The last one. The last one to go. So the last little cardinal is out of the nest, and he's up on the SUV here. Look at this guy. I think it's a male. He's got a lot of red in him. The parents are, oh, there he goes. He's up there between the lights. There he is. You're right in there.
Maybe look. Daddy right there.
Yeah. There he goes. Oh, there he goes. There he is, guys. How cool is that? And the dad is over here somewhere.
He's up in the tree.
Oh, there he is, right there. There's Dad. I don't know if you can see him, but he's up in the tree, and the mom is somewhere around here. So they're the mom and the dad very involved in these little chicks' lives, even after they leave the nest. So the other two, the mom and dad got him out there in the brush, and this was the last one to get out. And he is now out on his way. We'll get out of the way here. We're gonna vacate the property, run some errands, and while we're gone, I'm sure he will be with his brothers and sisters. So very, very cool. Unbelievable.